Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access all websites from the internet. So let me first show you that this yts.mx is a website for downloading English movies. It can't be accessed in my area. So for that, first I'm going to open a new tab and click Chrome Web Store. Let's go to extensions, and here the search touch VPN. So here it is. So I have already added it. So add it here. So let's see, and it must pop up here, or you can click here and see it here. So this one, click this button to show it up. It must be in blue color. So and then okay, let's connect it. So it mostly in best choice. So connecting, and it's connector. So let's open it up. Here you go guys. um, that's how we open YTS and every unblocked pages in the internet. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Thank you.